Ko taki timu rawa ko te whata oku mauka. Ko aparima te awa he reri atu ki te ara Kiwa. Ka reri te wai o te ara Kiwa ki te Moana tapokopoka a tāwhaki ki te mautiri titi o taka whanako kana wera. Tiko tēnei mautiri titi. Ko Rombo toko ikua no ōraka hau. Ko aoraki te mauka mātatau. My people have wandered through this landscape for many centuries and have ended up settling down on the coast of the South Island here, but we always refer to Aoraki, this largest mountain here, as the cradle of our creation stories, of that place that we as an iwi, as a larger group of people, always come back to remember who we are and where we're from. We think about Rakamaomao and all of the winds that come from there. Ki te taonga, puaitaha, wawa, all the names of those various individual wind gods that come into this land, that hit Haupapa, the glacier. Haupapa, that place where the wind blows onto the land. We see maku in its many various forms. He tio, he huka, he hauhu. When we talk about the first people to arrive, we talk about Rakaiho. And Rakaiho, when he came through this landscape, through this island that we live on, through this waka, te waka aoraki, he named the lakes, all of the lakes in this place. And through that naming of lakes, he made those connections with this landscape, naming the lakes, the mountains, the rivers. He didn't name this lake because this wasn't here. When he arrived here, no people had breathed in this place. It was inhabited by the atua, by the gods, by their breath, by Rakamaomao, the winds that blow through this place. That breath has been captured in the ice and the snow, the tio, the huka. And now that breath is being released because of the footsteps of people going through this place and not respecting the legacy of the atua.
The ice that we see here today in these icebergs that's broken off from the terminus of the glacier, from the terminus of Haupapa, is hundreds of years old. And it began its journey up high on the flanks of Aoraki, because the ice that we've got at the terminus here is actually coming down off Aoraki through the Hochstetter icefall and down into the terminus. We don't actually see the ice from the very top of the glacier anymore because the glacier has receded so much that that ice is not making its journey right to the end. Glaciers are amazing climate indicators. Glaciers accumulate against the climate, the temperature, the precipitation, the cloudiness, all inside their mass, their body, and they'll adjust their size to match what that climate is doing. But what we're seeing now is we're seeing a rate of change like nothing we have recorded before. As Earth is warming up, the glaciers are rapidly receding, rapidly shrinking. The ice that's been stored in their mass, in their body for many, many years is now melting out as water.
This is the chilled breath of Rakamaomao. That last hongi, that last inhalation of breath together before it goes.